to the Cyber Campus. As YesWeHack, we are very proud to welcome you here today.
SPARTA is a coalition of 44 players across Europe working on how to imagine the future of cybersecurity. The objective of this is to prepare the way that Europe is going to structure itself in the next few years and until the next decade to be able to meet the challenges of cybersecurity tomorrow. YesWeHack is a valued member of the SPARTA community. Within the diversity of partners, it represents one very important part, which is the grassroots movements and the hackers community, representing this particular community across and alongside the community of academia, the industry, and the national entities. And to this end, it's very important, and we strongly believe that this diversity of stakeholders and of viewpoints is a mandatory aspect to prepare the future of cyber in Europe.
If you want to scale something up or build something from an almost governance perspective at European level, is to really look at how best to structure this community. I think you need to look into building up a really responsible, ethical hacker community, which is also something we discussed during the event today, and looking into the specific regulatory, operational and strategic context that they will operate in. So to make sure that they're properly structured, properly protected as well. But I think that they have their role to play. And I think that if we can work together as a larger sort of cybersecurity community and with the different projects, I'm sure that we'd be able to build up something in the way of building bridges between those localized communities and doing something sustainable. We had a really interesting discussion over 2 hours, is that the importance also of meeting face-to-face and really sharing best practices, ideas for the future and building up those different collaborations. I think it's essential to be here.
We have discussion panels and workshops focusing on how we can include those aspects of ethical hacking inside larger policy-based implementations across Europe to be able to leverage all of the strength and all of the diversity we have in Europe to meet future challenges.
I really want to thank definitely SPARTA and YesWeHack for the organization of this event and also for the amazing goodies that are always nice to pick up. And really it's a pleasure to be here in Paris with all of you.
Sorry.
Hack the planet!
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 Hack the planet!